Hi. We've made a change to our one-step boarding platform to hopefully make it more easy and precise to adjust, but the adjustment isn't necessarily totally intuitive, so here's a quick walkthrough on how to make the adjustments. We used to supply the one-step with a simple double braid line that you would attach to the one-step and to your clips using bowlines. Bowlines aren't the easiest knots to tie all the time, and it can be frustrating to try and get one in a precise location. So what we've done is switch to this very high strength 4mm Dyneema rope, which is very much stronger than the old double braid, and we attach it using a couple of loop splices that make it very easy to adjust and very precise to adjust. You notice this loop that goes through the clip, and then we have a tail. In order to adjust it, you simply pull this through, and it works on the same principle as a finger trap. Once you have any amount of load on this line, the outer cover will trap the inner line, and it's incredibly secure, probably more secure than a bowline, and definitely easier to adjust. If you want to make it shorter while the system is slack, you just take more out of the tail, and that's all you have to do. It's incredibly easy, very precise. Enjoy your one step.